As you can see, this is the first situation for the motion profile for a stepper motor stimulator. The speed is set at 60, then the motor needs to turn clockwise to 90 degrees and pause 1 second, and then turns to 200 degrees clockwise, pause for 0.5 seconds, and lastly turns back counterclockwise back to 0 degrees. Now I will start the simulation. As you can see, starting from 0 degrees to 90 degrees and then 200 degrees and then back to 0 degrees. For the second situation, the speed of the stepper motor is set at 80 RPM. For the second situation, the motor needs to turn from 0 degrees and then clockwise to 180 degrees, then pause for 0.5 seconds and turn to 270 degrees clockwise and pause for 0.5 seconds and finally turns back 0 degrees by counterclockwise. So this is the simulation from 0 degrees to 180 degrees and lastly 270 degrees. After 270 degrees, it will turn back counterclockwise to 0 degrees. For the third situation, the speed is set at 120 RPM. So firstly, we start from 0 degrees, then turns counterclockwise to 270 degrees. At 270 degrees, it will pause for 0.5 seconds, and then it will turn clockwise back to 90 degrees. After reaching 90 degrees, it will pause for 0.5 seconds, and finally, the motor will turn back clockwise to 0 degrees. And this is the simulation for third situation. From 0 degrees, counterclockwise to 270 degrees, and then clockwise to 90 degrees, and finally clockwise back to 0 degrees. So this is my presentation. Thank you.